Hi guys, welcome to our channel Pets Lover. This time I am going to show you the proven medicine that helps to prevent the mortality of chicks and also the parent birds during the winter season. I started using this medicine for last 2 months. The result is so good. Most of my friends are having their birds in next door and nearby, so most of the birds are frizzle and they're having some health issues, but in our farm there is no health issue at all. After using this medicine, this has been prescribed by our veterinarian and also our veterinary chemist. So he introduced the medicine. This is so good actually. Try buying this medicine in your nearby shops, else let me know. I will help you where you can find this medicine. I'm not marketing this medicine. I started using this, but then I find the good result. That's why this the medicine name is Immutos. It has the unique combination of beta glucans and new celluloid and immunonutrients. Okay, I'm not much familiar with the medical terms, and the price of this medicine is a little bit high. It is 1,850 per liter, but I got this in a discount. After buying this from our veterinary chemist, I verified with our veterinary surgeon nearby, and he recommended this. That's why I started using this. The unique composition of beta glucans and then new celluloid and immunonutrients. It has good benefits as well. Actually, this medicine is not a antibiotic. It stimulates the non-specific immune system by increasing the activity of lymphocyte, combines advantage of various all gas series actually I don't know what it is, and improves disease resistance, growth and vaccination effectiveness. Okay, and actually the recommended proportion is like 2 to 3 ml per liter. We need to give it for 3 to 5 days a month, but actually what I do is 1 liter per 1 ml per 1 liter. So this is actually a safe combination because we should not give the overdosage. That's why I follow this. Instead of giving some antibiotics, we can go for this medicine, so it works good.